Often regarded as a uniquely independent community, Camden County, Missouri flourishes with traditional small-town intimacy. Families and citizens here have a friendly, welcoming nature and stand together to uphold their values while welcoming diversity. In 1929, when Bagnell Dam was installed and the Lake of the Ozarks flooded the bottomland, Camden County farm families transitioned from the valleys to the hills. Today, Camden County stands as a leader in Missouri, offering a multitude of rich agricultural opportunities. Camden County citizens have built successful businesses as diverse as cattle farms, fish hatcheries, hay operations, and small-scale agricultural production, which weave together to create a strong agricultural economy. In 2021, agriculture, food, forestry, and related industries contributed 1,685 jobs and a staggering $67.3 million to household income in the county. Camden County is known for family farms. Families work every day and take pride in what they do to care for their animals and land while producing the highest quality products. Natural resources and grazing lands offer opportunities in aquaculture, cattle processing, and additional value-added agricultural pursuits. The county boasts ample water with a great water table. The county supports a transportation sector to get raw materials via highway or railway. Camden County's advantages make the region a great place to live, work, and do business. The county benefits from a strong workforce, 4-H, and schools that host multiple FFA chapters. These FFA chapters are partnering to invest in local elementary agricultural literacy through Missouri Farmers Care's Ag Education on the Move, educating a future workforce and future consumers who better understand and appreciate agriculture. Our diverse county has it all. From multi-million-dollar lake homes and lifestyle ventures to quiet turkey blinds on 100-year-old family farms. From various worship opportunities to incredible top-rated state parks like Tonka. Top it off with some of the lowest tax rates in the state, and you'll find that Camden County offers unbeatable advantages. Are you ready to do business in Camden County, Missouri?